Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a TradeLocker demo account. Let's get started. First, keep in mind that you can't create a TradeLocker demo account directly through the TradeLocker website. Instead, you'll need to use a broker that offers TradeLocker demo accounts. In this case, we'll be using BlueMarkets. Start by visiting BlueMarkets.co and sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create a new account. Once you're signed in, go to the My Account section. Click on Select Account Type, then choose BlueMarkets TradeLocker Demo. Next, select your preferred currency, set your leverage and choose your desired demo balance. When you're ready, click Create Account. After a few seconds, you'll see a message saying that your access details have been sent to your email. Go ahead and check your inbox. In the email, you'll find your TradeLocker demo account login details. Click the Login button in the email, then enter the login credentials provided. Once done, click Login to access your demo account. And that's it. Your TradeLocker demo account is now ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.